Mahirap ba talagang maghubad at gumawa ng mga sex scene?
Napakahirap maghubad. It takes a lot of courage.
Kanina nung pinapakita dyan yung frontal ko, lahat nahihiya pa rin talaga ako. Parang hindi ako prepared, hindi ako ready na ganito yung ginagawa ko. But
Tell us about the roles in the series. We'll start with Jamila, please.
Yes, thank you for the question. I'm playing the role of Christine Soriano, CEO, the owner of Prima Beauty.
my character here in the series is isang anak na nawala sa pagmamahal ng magulang. And her name is Jasmine. And this shows yung kung anong bond ko with my mother and sa mahal kong tao.
Kailan ba mahirap maghubad sa harap ng camera? Like kung ang director mo ay award-winning na si MacArthur, si Alejandro. Mahirap ba talagang maghubad at gumawa ng mga sex scene? Jamila muna.
Hello po. Yes, of course, napakahirap maghubad. It takes a lot of courage and bravery to do that. Kumbaga parang lakas ng dibdib. Kumbaga hindi siya madali. Hindi siya madali gawin. Napakahirap. So, and with the support system, pinadali nila. With the productions and everything, lahat po pinadali nila yun. Kumbaga, nandyan po yan, sila Direk, everyone, nandyan sila to support you.
For me, until now, it's never easy to show your body. Kanina nung pinapakita dyan yung frontal ko, lahat nahihiya pa rin talaga ako. Parang hindi ako prepared, hindi ako ready na ganito yung ginagawa ko. But with the help of Direk, pag nasa shoot na, talagang prepare mental health and laging sinasabi sa akin ni Direk, anak, ipakita mo kung ano yung kaya mong ipakita dahil nandyan and you just need to have confidence and it's an art. If you look at it in the wrong way, then mapupunta sa'yo wrong negative one. But if you look at it in the right way and everything, it's an art na binibigyan natin ng color yung mag-script.
I think this one is more challenging compared sa mga last projects ko na nagawa ko with Viva Max kasi mas marami silang aabangan dito. Mas maraming na hindi ko na ipakita before doon sa last projects ko. So, mas bongga to. As in, yun ang masasabi ko. Talagang pinaghirapan ng bawat eksena. So, yun na po. Thank you.
For me, pinaka-challenging na tinatry kong ikamit ngayon, yung hindi ako masabaw. Yung lagi kasi ako nakatulala. So, even though I'm prepared sa kung anong gagawin ko, pag tumulala na ako, then after, parang nasasnap ako na, okay, anong gagawin ko? Ito na ba? But, every movie that I've done, it's really a challenge kasi iba't ibang mga characters na kailangan kong i-show. And every time na may nalalaman ako na new unlock, sobrang happy, sobrang trophy para sa akin. And I want to be challenged and challenged and challenged I want to be challenged every single day, even though I reach that, I still want to be challenged because it's always a learning process. I think the most challenging that I've done dito sa series na to is the crying scenes with my mother, Jamila Obispo. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung every line na sinasabi ko dun sa iyak scenes namin. But after hitting those emotion and talagang napakita namin sa camera yung scene na very deep, very emotional. It's a happiness pure. And I think I'll never be prepared na pag inagro siya sa akin, or, you know what I'm saying. Pero wag yun na, I want her to give the bestest of her life, to give back all the things she has done for me.
Ayun, ayoko maging issue sa amin ang ayan, katulad niyan, yung may aagawan ka. Ayoko na maging issue sa amin yan. And, pera. Yung mga ganong bagay. Yung mga maliliit na bagay, ayoko maging issue yan sa amin.
I think, wala naman. Kasi every issue na mararanasan namin ng mom ko, it's a challenge. And for family, kapag may issue, at the end of the day, dun kayo mas nagiging bond, mas nagiging deep yung connection. So, anything, I know we can take it.